Today, we're going to show you how to change a cabin air filter in a dirty mom car. Step 1, empty the contents of your glove compartment onto the floor. Don't forget your napkins, straw papers, and foundation you forgot you owned. You're going to move your Amazon packages you didn't tell your husband about, and you're going to come follow me. We're going to squeeze these tabs. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to pull it out like a VCR. Yeah, 90s. That is delicious. Let me get some of that lasagna. We probably have a whole new one. Let's be clear, we've had this car for a couple years now. They've told me that this has been dirty every oil change, and I just haven't changed it. So this is years. If your cabin air filter looks like this, you're as type B mom as I am. Congratulations, get you a new one. And now we'll delight you with some package opening ASMR. Ooh, she's blue. It's a lovely shade. It's like a washboard. Oh, let's clean out the remaining junk, shall we? Is that alive? Just kidding. It's a leaf. Okay, now the one we removed had arrows on it, and this one does not. This from titanium in the beautiful blue. But I remember pulling it out this way, so we're just gonna put it back in the way it came out. Yes, be kind, rewind. Boom. Now pick all of your junk up, because you know every bit of it must be important, and put it all back together. And then boom, you've done it. You got clean air. Well done.
You want to make sure that this piece here, you can unclip it, and there's a clip up there too for the little shock thing. So you got to make sure that that all goes back together so that it operates nice and smooth. And then in order to get this piece out, you squeeze this tab here, and there's another one on the other side. You can see it. I don't know if I'll let this thing focus, but yeah. There's a tab here, and then on the other side there's another tab. You just kind of squeeze these together, and this whole thing will push down so you can have access to the back. But that's how you do it.
Well, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.